Imagine owning an iPhone that folds like a book but still feels like a true Apple product, sleek, smooth, and powerful. For a long time, that idea felt too futuristic, but now it's closer than ever. The foldable iPhone is no longer just a dream or fan concept. Real leaks and insider reports suggest Apple is preparing to launch a foldable iPhone, and they're not treating it as a one-time experiment. It's expected to become a regular part of the iPhone lineup, much like the Standard and Pro models. This isn't going to be a side project or a phone only a few people will buy. Apple is aiming high with this one. Reports say the foldable model will sit above even the Pro Max in terms of price and features, possibly becoming the most premium iPhone available. Some analysts even think this new foldable might eventually take the top spot, replacing the Pro Max entirely in the future. Apple clearly has long-term plans for it. Unlike the short-lived Mini or Plus models that quietly faded away, this new foldable device is being designed with a yearly upgrade cycle in mind. Just like Samsung updates its Galaxy Z Fold series every year, Apple wants to follow a similar path but with its own unique style and innovation. It's clear that Apple is not just experimenting. They're serious about making this foldable iPhone a key product. So why is Apple late to the foldable phone party when brands like Samsung, Oppo, and Google already have a head start? The answer is simple. Apple wants to make sure it gets everything right. While others rush to market, Apple has been spending years perfecting the design, especially trying to eliminate the visible crease that bothers users of current foldable phones. Their goal isn't just to release another foldable, they want to set a new standard for what a foldable phone should be. Some tech experts believe that Apple entering this space could bring new energy to the foldable market. Right now, interest in foldable phones has slowed down a bit. People got excited in the beginning, but that excitement has faded. If Apple can launch a foldable iPhone that truly impresses people, it might bring that buzz back and push the entire industry forward again. As for the release date, things are still a bit unclear. Some sources say the foldable iPhone could come out in 2026, alongside the iPhone 18. Others believe Apple might wait until 2027 to launch it as a part of the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. That would be a big moment, and some leaks even suggest Apple could also reveal an all-glass iPhone model at the same time. What's certain is that Apple isn't planning to just test the waters with this one. They're planning to go all in. The foldable iPhone is expected to be a long-term part of their strategy, not a limited edition or temporary model. Still, Apple isn't entering this market alone. The foldable iPhone will face strong competition from phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold from Google, and Oppo's Find N5. These brands already offer powerful devices packed with features like advanced AI, thin designs, and competitive pricing. In some cases, they're even ahead of Apple in software and innovation, so Apple will have to make sure their foldable stands out. In addition to the foldable model, there are rumors about another upcoming device called the iPhone 17 Air. This could be a lighter, more compact phone designed for users who prefer a thinner, more portable iPhone. It's unclear if the Air or the foldable will be long-term hits, but what's clear is that Apple is taking more risks and trying new things again. If you're excited to see what Apple does next, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates.
Could Samsung's upcoming Galaxy phone be the slimmest premium model ever? If you've been following the latest leaks, you may have already seen glimpses of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. A new video has recently surfaced offering an even clearer look at its design, though it's important to note that this video features a dummy unit rather than the actual device. For those who aren't familiar, these dummy units are plastic models used in stores to show off the general look and feel of a phone before it's released. While this isn't the real phone, it still provides us with some important clues about what Samsung is planning. This is not the first time the Galaxy S25 Edge has made an appearance. Samsung briefly showed it off during MWC 2025, but that was more of a showcase where the phone wasn't available for hands-on testing. At the time, we got a sense of its overall shape and size, but thanks to this new dummy unit video, we now get a closer look at some of its finer design details. What stands out the most about this phone is just how thin it is. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be just 5.84mm thick. This is an incredibly slim profile, especially when compared to the bulkier designs of most modern smartphones. For people who prefer sleek, compact devices, this could be a major draw. Not only will it be easier to hold, but it could also be lighter and more comfortable to carry in your pocket. However, getting that thin design comes with its trade-offs. The most notable sacrifice here is the zoom camera. Unlike other high-end Galaxy devices, the S25 Edge will not have a telephoto lens for zooming in on distant subjects. Instead, the phone will stick to a dual camera setup on the back. The primary camera will be a powerful 200MP sensor, while the secondary lens will be either a 12MP or 50MP ultra-wide camera. The camera bump itself appears smaller in this dummy unit compared to previous models, suggesting that Samsung is working hard to keep the overall design slim. On the inside, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is the same powerful processor found in the other Galaxy S25 models. So even though the camera system is slightly toned down, the phone will still offer excellent performance and speed. The display is expected to be a 6.7-inch screen with a sharp 1440p resolution, ensuring that the visuals will be bright, clear, and vibrant. Just what you would expect from a Samsung flagship. The exciting part is that we don't have to wait much longer to see the Galaxy S25 Edge in action. Samsung has confirmed that the official announcement will take place on May 13. If you're eager to get your hands on one, the phone will be available in South Korea starting May 23, with a US release following shortly on May 30. So it's just a matter of weeks before we get to see this phone up close. One thing that remains uncertain is how widely Samsung plans to release the phone. As of now, we know it will be available in South Korea and the US, but it's possible that more countries will be added to the list depending on how much demand the device generates in the early stages. Given the unique nature of the S25 Edge, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung eventually expands its availability. What do you think? Would you prefer a thinner phone and forego the zoom camera, or would you rather have a bulkier device with the extra lens for more versatile photography? If you're looking forward to learning more about this phone and other exciting Samsung releases, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Excitement for the iPhone 17 series is growing, and new leaks suggest some long-awaited upgrades that could make a significant impact. Apple has stuck with the same 12-megapixel front-facing camera since the iPhone 11, but if recent reports are accurate, that may finally change. Rumors indicate that all four models, the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with a new 24-megapixel selfie camera. If true, this upgrade could dramatically improve image quality, making selfies sharper, increasing detail, and enhancing performance in low-light conditions. For those who use their iPhones for social media, video calls, or vlogging, this could be a game changer. A higher resolution front camera means Apple can take its computational photography to the next level, refining features like Smart HDR, night mode, and portrait mode. Even after cropping, images will retain more detail, ensuring a noticeable difference in quality. Beyond the selfie camera, Apple may also be upgrading the telephoto lens on the Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could replace the existing 12-megapixel telephoto camera with a powerful 40